Hi, I'm Tim Schutte, Product and Application Specialist for Epiroc. Today I'm going to show you how to locate the pressure plate on the side of the hydraulic motor on the drum cutters. There's a panel right here secured by 30mm bolts. It was easy to take off with an electric impact wrench. When you open this compartment, as you can see, this is the pressure plate against the hydraulic motor. You can check your hydraulic fittings to the hydraulic motor for any leaks while you're in this compartment. If this is leaking during operation, that usually means that there's a pressure issue, a fitting issue, or a hose issue from the carrier. It does not mean that there is any damage done to your hydraulic motor. This is a protection for your hydraulic motor and your investment. If it is leaking, you need to take this off, throw this in your scrap metal, the bolts, and throw away the O-ring that's in there. When you get a new drum cutter, it comes with a pressure plate, spare pressure plate, and an O-ring, and the bolts. The reason why we do that is because some of the individuals out in the field may take off the drum cutter from their carrier and rehook it up with the hoses backwards, and it'll blow the pressure plate right away. So we also always give you a spare pressure plate to handle that type of situation out in the field. If you have to order one, just contact your local dealer, give them the model number and the serial number of your machine, and we will send you the correct pressure plate, O-ring, and bolts. Different hydraulic drum cutters have different size pressure plates on them, from very small to very large. So please identify that when you're ordering with your local dealer. As a quick safety note, if you have to get into this compartment, this plate is very heavy. So if you're doing it like this, laying down flat on the ground, just be cautious that when you take off the last bolt, it can slide down onto the ground, or when you have it up on the excavator, make sure you use your proper lifting techniques to raise or lower that plate when you're mounting it or dismounting it. Thank you for watching this video. Please contact your Epiroc Service Center or your local dealer for additional information.